Uba Manuel Badwar ula Kyntait berkesan Kongres ke Tlot. Badun Treh menyekun iaka election steng samoi naga bentang benjit UMP syaka Lok Sabha. Unang ilam ke MPCC uba Manuel Badwar ula penpau berkesan Kongres kadang long keseng persyak ke badan kam. Bat ke baklantam naga bentang ke imlang salang ke babiang. Ula Kyntait berke Kongres kelanang do obor namar kadang nyai ne badi oi kejingjop ke bakrau bagi jela kum ke Kerala. Ula keduru bagi jela kum ke Tamil Nadu kipai ba kelas sedang matsngu tu ya karukom trekam ke BJP bagi legit giseng ke belek persyak ke jingmut juperkat jong ke Saffron Party. Haba pai biang syakikam penroy jong ke seng ha Meghalaya. Uba Manuel Badwar ula penpau ke jingkerman baka Kongres kan sawan pai biang ha ke bor syen. Nomor kipai ba kelas ngutu igi buit penia pihak jong ke BJP ke ba sngo bakan la penyo ajaka ha ke jingmut juperkat jugi brio ha ke tan stelam ini. Uli tu bawa la ke seng kadang yat lengba ke por ke bajuat. Ndrei ki sedang mencna ne penklan biang ya keseng na duk tenrai haman lagi unit baru kenang ban pen kreat na gebenta ke senam arhajar arpopra. Halor ke election MP ke ban Selongshan uba Manuel Badwar ula pensyai benia ba umdan kanu nu jing temu benia koni ke election MP. Ula pensyai bana mara udang long bertemai ke kamsan bertai ke por ke berangsa ke batang arsenam tam kampat biang ya ban la ban trekam bha hage yang dorbar parlimen. Ula benrap bagi jela kedan kam man pak du brio belas ngutuk lupai ke kom tre kam ke parlimen kenang ban long ke beseso. Ula pentip ru bagi seng keladap pak iki kerteng jong kertong syak All India Congress Committee Delhi badang api kerai ke bakat do naki bor ki bahalor.
The only likely opposition that is required in a democracy, right, is the Congress. Yes, we're not saying that the BJP is not gaining ground. It's gaining ground in some states. But to say that the Congress is also not gaining ground is very wrong. Okay, so we have like-minded parties, even in Tamil, for that matter, even in Tamil Nadu, which ideologically is very much against the BJP, and such parties have come to the fore, right? Which means the public at large also have understood what the BJP is working. So you have Kerala also, which is a Congress-dominated state, and the Congress has come up with flying colours even in Kerala. So two states, okay, we lost in Assam. Bengal was anyway never asked because we believe that AITC was playing a very hard ball. They didn't want to even collaborate. They didn't even want to have a pre-poll alliance itself. So now they're suffering. But then in the long run, you can't, I mean, to say that the BJP, just because it has won in these states, it will capture everywhere, that doesn't make sense. Because ideologically speaking, the BJP still has a long way to go, right? And states like ours, for instance, is definitely, as a population and the populace itself, the citizens themselves, are not ideologically aligned with the BJP. So we will see what is their tricks up their sleeves. They have their tricks everywhere. They use government mechanisms also to ensure that they win such elections. But in Meghalaya and in the entire northeast states, it's not going to be such a cakewalk for them, right? And we believe that sooner or later, I think the Congress has to come back. It's not going to be that long. I think the emotions of the people also slowly many states have started to realize that the divisive tactics of the BJP will not resonate for long and resonate for the rest of many years to come. So slowly we believe that at least even in Meghalaya as well, while the regional forces will play a very critical role, as it is starting to play in many parts of the country, but at a national level, I believe so that the Congress will definitely come back. And in Meghalaya especially, we've had a very bad spate of time, but then 2028 is still a long way to go, and we are working, the grassroots levels work is happening. We are building brick by brick, we're building unit by unit, and we're pretty sure that then 2028 will have a good comeback. Yeah, I think I've made myself very clear. As far as the Congress is concerned, we still have not decided. We are yet to sit for meetings and so on and so forth, but however, recommendations has gone to Delhi. AICC will obviously make the final decision. So we don't have many takers for the same, definitely, and we have few leaders. And there has been the rounds has been going on that Manuel will also be one of the candidates who are aspiring. and I want to make it categorically very clear out here that I don't have any intention to contest for the MP elections because of the simple fact that I am very new, simple fact that it's only a 2-year term, and it's going to be increasingly difficult for anybody who's new to enter the arena of the parliament, and we're not going to be as productive as somebody who has already been there, who's already been in that line of work. And for me personally, I keep on telling people that it is important to send somebody who's already a working horse, somebody who already understands the entire nuances of a parliament and its functioning, rather than sending somebody new, because 2 years is definitely not enough time. Yeah.
So
Thank
it's
you so
Mapala.
much. You take the call yourself. Thank you so much.